In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the best promo code websites for Webtoon. Now this should be a quick and easy process video. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So as you can see, these are Webtoon valid promo codes. You can get your free bonuses. So the Webtoon market is constantly evolving. So go ahead and check your promo codes. These are the coupon codes that are available in May 2025. So go ahead, pick the ones you want. There is a 30 code here, so you can pick whatever you want. There is up to 50% discount, $8 discount, 20% discount. So go ahead and choose the code you want. And important note, the code cannot be used only once and is no longer valid therefore. So go ahead and enjoy your bonus codes.